Hey loves, so we are going to do some sort of ice cream look. I have images in my head. Obviously Desi did this look like 2 years ago, I think. And ever since then I've wanted to recreate it. Last Halloween I had picked up these two wigs. I'm still not sure exactly which one I want to use. I might use the rainbow one. I don't know. I had this one in my mind and I forgot I even got this one. So I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna sit here and play with makeup and create some sort of look. So my hair is up because I will be wearing a wig. But anyway, we're just gonna jump in. I'm just gonna do my base like normal. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with the Conceal and Define foundation right now. I'm currently mixing 0.5 and F1. I might do a little extra 0.5 than I normally do just because I want, I don't know, to kind of look like a doll. So I'm cool if it's a little too fair. So just put on your foundation of choice. You don't have to put it all over your face depending upon where you want your drips. I might just do my drip. I haven't decided if I want it all the way across my face or if I want it like only on one side. Gonna go ahead and pop on some concealer. I'll probably put it on both eyes just to keep things even though I'm definitely gonna cover this side of my face with a different color. I think it'll just create a more even base anyway. So plus the more layers of foundation and concealer I have, the less likely any of the eyeshadows might stain my skin. Some of these are super pigmented that I'm debating on using, so I'd rather just not have to worry about it. Or to set my under eyes. This is from Revolution. It's just a white setting powder. I think that I'm going to go ahead and mark out my drips on my face now. That way I can kind of decide what I'm doing and know if I need to put actual eyeshadow on this eye or like... Alright, so I'm just going to use this white liner from Prestige in Star. I want it to look like 2 layers. Okay, so I'm just gonna plan that that's my dripping area. I might change it a little bit and obviously I'm gonna have to deepen it and fill it in and do many things. But that way I know that I can just start on this eye and just do this eye like normal. At first I was gonna use all beauty makeup, but I think I wanna use a combination of face paints and beauty makeup. This is the Mehron basic paint set. These are water activated paints. I got this off of Amazon. So since there isn't a pink, I'm gonna have to mix the red and the white. Oh my gosh, doing this with face paint is so much quicker. So much quicker to just like do that base. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna do my brows. Just use whatever shade you want. I just grabbed the MAC Lingering Pencil. I got it in a beauty box, so I'm just trying to use it up. Then I'm gonna apply some shadow on top of that. I'm gonna start with Strawberry Milk from the Creepy Cute palette from Strobe Cosmetics. Looks like, sure, I'm just gonna put it in here. This one's a little bit lighter than the actual face paint, which I'm cool with because I went a little darker on the pink than I meant to. I might actually mix a little bit of white back on top of it. I think that I'm actually gonna take Strawberry Milk into the crease to start with on this side that we're gonna put some actual makeup on. It's obviously gonna be a pink and purple look, I'm sure. So just buff that into your crease. See, I'm gonna take some of this NYX Jumbo White Pencil and put it on my lower waterline and a little on my lid. By putting that shade, the white, on the lower lash line, it's going to make this color pop a little more. I'm gonna go into my Karity Rosé All Day palette and use this hot pink in the crease a little bit, I think. Yeah, we're gonna use it with a really light hand. I just love this pink, it's so intense. I think I'm actually gonna put a little, yeah, I'm gonna put a little in the crease here. think I'm gonna go into my Pro Pigment palette from Profusion and just use Frosting, this frosty white shade. I'm gonna go in with the littlest bit of that gray shade and just kind of define the crease a little more. I'm just taking that frosting shade again and highlighting the brow bone a little bit. All right, we're going to add a wing liner. That's my preference, so do it if you want to. If not, I'm gonna use a combination of my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black with my Revolution Renaissance Flick Liner. I like the pigmentation of this one, but this one's just smoother and has a smaller tip, so it makes it easier to wing it out. I'm going to use just a tiny bit of pencil liner on my outer corner right along the lash line. So I'm going to apply my mascara in my lashes and be right back. I'm just going to use these dollar lashes from Shop Miss A. They are the Amelia Super Fluffy. I'm going to work on my pink a little more, I think. I think I want to add another layer and kind of lighten it up. I think I'm going to try and bring it down. Okay, I'm going back with the purple. Okay, now I'm going to intensify the edge of the pink. So I think I'm gonna mix the hot pink with this one and see what color we get. I'm gonna go back into my Pro Pigment palette from Profusion and use, I think, this purple and just kind of blend that along the edges to give it a little more. Ooh, that's still got a lot of pink on it. Oops, girl. I'm gonna go back to the Creepy Cute palette and on back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and use just the tiniest bit of gray mixed with the purple to do the shadows for the purple, and then the gray mixed with the pink to do the shadows for the pink. I'm just taking a little bit of white face paint and trying to highlight the drips. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour, blush, and highlight. I'm just gonna use my Sculpt and Glow from Profusion because I have it sitting here. This one's a little warm, but that's fine for this look. I have really been loving this blush from Shop Miss A. It's AOA Studio, one of their Lumi blushes in Ravish. It's just so glowy, so pretty. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on this cheek. I don't think I'll put any on this cheek because there's no real point. Since I want kind of a pinky or purpley highlight, I'm gonna use the Soap palette. I think because my highlight's mostly gonna be on the pink, I'm gonna go with the pink one in this palette. Right up here. I'm going to actually add little bits of highlight, pink, and purple. I don't think it's going to do much, but I might just add a little more dimension. I'm going to put a little bit of the white too, mixed with that pink. Ooh, should we do Queen Supreme? I feel like we should. Let's go ahead and put on Queen Supreme and go from there. This is the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip. So we're gonna do this pink and purple wig. This is from Lake Avenue. I think I got it from Hot Topic last year. Alright loves, that is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Please set that little notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And I think that's everything. Please have a wonderful and safe Halloween, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. I can hear the fat jokes in the comments happening already. Oh, well, I broke it. That's great. She's biting my buttons. Can't bite my buttons. Oh. Is that hello? Is that hello? Oh. Sorry, baby. Oh, well, that works. Jeez. I think because I want a really intense excuse me. When you film the whole video and then you realize that the ice cream cone should probably go on the side where your drips are, makes the most sense, huh? That is the complete...